From lip fillers to liposuction and everything in between, some celebrities have been refreshingly open about their journeys with cosmetic procedures. With countless options for plastic surgery and injectables available today, it's no wonder these enhancements have become staples in Hollywood and beyond. Let's take a look at the stars who've candidly shared their experiences about going under the needle or the knife.
I am bravely sharing that I had a lower facelift and a couple of other minor tweaks by Dr. Ira Savetsky in New York City. And I live my life openly and freely. That's why I did a reality show. And I think it's important for people who do reality shows to be honest. I have no filter on. I'm in a hotel. I'm at the Ritz-Carlton. It's drop dead. If you're going to recover in a nice hotel.
So what do you think about today's video? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a single update on your favorite celebs and those unforgettable Hollywood moments. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time with even more legendary stories from the world of entertainment.